Stephen Marley, a reggae legacy. Stephen Robert Nesta Marley, born on April 20, 1972, in Wilmington, Delaware, is one of the most influential reggae musicians of his generation. As the second eldest son of the legendary Bob Marley and Rita Marley, Stephen has continued the Marley legacy, not only by honoring his father's immense contributions to reggae but by expanding the genre and incorporating modern influences. A multi-talented artist, Stephen has thrived as a singer, songwriter, producer, and instrumentalist, crafting a career that blends roots reggae with contemporary sounds. From a young age, Stephen was immersed in music, growing up in a household where reggae was more than just a genre, it was a way of life. Along with his siblings, he formed part of Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers, a group that achieved significant success in the 1980s and 1990s. Hits like Tomorrow People and Look Who's Dancing helped the group win multiple Grammy Awards and brought reggae to a global audience. During this time, Stephen honed his skills as a musician, learning from his siblings and developing his distinctive voice and musical style. Stephen's solo career began in the early 2000s, and he quickly established himself as a formidable solo artist. His debut album, Mind Control, 2007, was met with critical acclaim and earned him the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album. The album showcased Stephen's ability to fuse reggae with elements of hip-hop, R&B, and rock, creating a sound that resonated with both traditional reggae fans and a new generation of listeners. Songs like Hey Baby and Iron Bars reflect his deep-rooted commitment to addressing social issues, echoing his father's message of unity, freedom, and justice. Stephen Marley is also known for his collaborations with various artists across different genres. He has worked with the likes of Nas, Erykah Badu, and The Roots, further broadening his musical horizons and introducing reggae to wider audiences. These collaborations highlight his versatility and willingness to experiment with new sounds while staying true to his reggae roots. Aside from his work as a solo artist, Stephen has played a pivotal role in producing and mentoring other members of the Marley family. He has produced albums for his brothers, Damian and Julian Marley, contributing to the success of albums like Damian's Welcome to Jamrock, which earned him another Grammy Award. Stephen's production work reflects his deep understanding of music and his ability to bring out the best in other artists. Beyond his musical achievements, Stephen Marley is deeply committed to preserving and promoting the values of Rastafarianism, which he shares through his music and activism. His lyrics often touch on themes of spirituality, justice, and cultural pride, and he is dedicated to using his platform to uplift communities and inspire positive change. In summary, Stephen Marley is not just a torchbearer of the Marley family legacy, he is a powerful force in his own right. His ability to blend traditional reggae with contemporary elements, coupled with his skill as a producer and collaborator, has solidified his place as one of the most respected figures in modern reggae music. With multiple Grammy Awards and a vast body of work, Stephen continues to shape the future of reggae while honoring its roots.